Hi everyone, this is Sherry today. As you can see, I'm finally getting the layer mask video correct. But seriously, today I'm going to show you how to do exactly this. You have a full color photograph, and let's just say you want to make the one portion of it black and white, and for in this case the background color and the people white, or you can do it vice versa, bring the people in color and make the background black and white. Okay, let's get started. I have it in the develop module in Lightroom, and I have before and after. Okay, so you can see exactly what I'm doing. We're going to start up here by selecting the masking tool, and then for this one I'm going to make it really simple. Let's just go with the subject, and I'm going to click subject. It's going to detect the subject, and what it's going to do is going to automatically mask the surrounding background. It's going to turn it black and white. But I wanted this. Like I said, there's a few ways to do this, but I'm showing you the simple way. And as you can see, it's automatically done, and I'm going to go down here to the saturation inside of, sorry, my brain is not working. Inside this box where it says select subject, and I'm going to just pull out the saturation. So only the people are in black and white, but I notice that his arm is still in color. So I'm going to reset the saturation. I'm going to go to the brush tool, and then using Control Plus on a Windows and the space bar to move it, the Control Plus will zoom it in. I'm going to add his fingers. Okay, and then I'm also going to add my sister's shoe. Okay, and then you can see that now versus the color on color, this is in black and white, but that's just with the layer mask. I'm going to go back here to saturation, and I'm going to drop it down to -100 as far as it'll go, and presto. And then I'm going to select done, and now lock in the changes. Once again, Lightroom is non-destructive editing, so which means you can always hit the reset button. Then I'm also going to right click, go to export, just to check my work, and it'll come up with the export prompt. I click export, and because I've done this video before, I have unique names. Now I'm going to find this file, which is this one right here, and I'm going to double click, And as you can see from the photo file, it is exactly the same. Okay, and that's the simple way of doing a layer mask in Lightroom. Thank you for watching. Please click the subscribe button, and I hope you guys all have a good day. See you next time. Subscribe button. Also, please remember to go to my website, fill out the contact form. I'm always running specials. Have a great day.